Hello everyone, my name is Dhruv Rathi. My roll number is 20E10024 and my section is 14. So for my DIY assignment 2, I have made this distance detector circuit in Tinkercad. For this, I have used Arduino Uno. I have used a distance detector ultrasonic sensor. I have used LCD display. I have used a potentiometer, and I have used a buzzer for a specific task. So let's see the circuit. So we can see that I have connected the LCD to the Arduino using these 6 wires which are connecting to the 13, 12, 11, 10 and 9 and 8 pin of the Arduino. I have also connected the potentiometer to the breadboard, and I have connected it to the LCD using these white wires. I have connected the sensor with the Arduino using the second and the third pin, digital pin. So let's see the code now. So it is a simple code. I have declared two global variables to store the duration of time taken by the pulse to return back, and the distance uh, traveled by the pulse, one way distance. That is the thing we want to calculate. And in the loop function, I call the time measurement function. This function is used to measure the time taken by the pulse to return back, and using the time duration which it takes, we calculate the distance. And then I've used if function, which is if distance is less than 183 centimeters, I write the buzzer to high, so the buzzer will operate when the distance is less than 183, and when the distance is greater than 183 the buzzer will not operate. So this is, and then I call the display distance function, so the distance is displayed in the LCD. So if we copy and paste this in the Arduino IDE, then we can verify and we can see that it is compiling. So now if I start simulation, so we can see now that the distance in centimeter is printing. So it is 193. Now if I start decreasing, so now it is 175, and the buzzer is also has also started. So again if I increase, so the buzzer will stop. So this kind of circuit is usually used to for obstacle detection in robots, but in the current scenario we can use this circuit for maintaining social distancing also. So it is quite useful in that way. And that's all from my side. Thank you for watching my video.